Okay guys, fishing time ulit tayo. Dito tayo sa tinatawag nilang Fish Park o Inus Park. Ayan. Going high tide na. Pinaka-peak na tide nito is 4 o'clock. So our time now is 2:30. Tayo. Pero natin dito sana tayo sa mga ang dami nakaparadang boto. Magpipising yan paggabi dito sa Shell. Napakadaming damo kasi dito, pero magkakas tayo, mga pagipagitan lang ng mga damo na yan. Ayun o, sana hindi tayo masabitan ng lure dito. Try natin dito, baba tayo dito, right on. Okay. Baba tayo dito. As usual, setup natin is pang UL. So ingat tayo dito kasi madudulas yung mga damo dito, ay bato pala. Ayan o, yun natin kung i-strikean tayo dito. Ayan, drag yan, joints. Ayan, sana ano yun, puta, sabit kagad tayo. Yun, ang laki yung bahanak ko. Ang laki, kita nyo yun. Walang nag-strike sa lure natin. Dito tayo, malapit. Yan lang oh. Patay tayo dyan. Ganda mo. Wala, lipat tayo. Wala dyan. Wala dyan, dun tayo. Tayo banda. Sa banda ron, malalaki emperor. Aso mo, lusong tayo. Going high tide pa. Sana dyan, sana oh. Mga in-between na yan, sa mga kelp na yan. Umabit tayo sa mga damo na yan, tas na lure natin. Oh, may mga diver. Ay tayo natin. Oh shit, tayo. There you go. Okay, come on. Wala. What? There, humabol. Roar. Any cuts, guys?
No, we're just checking it out.
All right.
Not the spot.
Okay. Oy, Ilocano angler. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all right. Thank you. Those are your subscriber, Tagalog. They still remember your channel. Shout out to you, Tagalooks. You're still famous here in Saipan, brother. Okay. because maybe they saw you here before asking. Okay, I try here. Okay, lucky if we get the strike over here. Hinihingal na ako over there, right. Okay, come on boy, right there. Okay, come on boy. Really? Why, you don't like this lure? Or oh, crab, very big. Look at that. Look at that crab, boy. Come here, I'm gonna get you, boy. Look at this crab. It's a big one. It's a big one. Crab, man. Look at this crab. Whoa! Whoa, that's a big one. Whoa! Ah, it's a big one, boy. Watch your hands, boy. Watch your... Almost got my hands, my boy. I'm not gonna let you do that. Wow! Whoa! Very big. What we gonna do with this one? Huh? Are we gonna get this? Or just let it go? Look at that. Look at that. Come, ride it. Oh, look at that. Oh, big one. Are we gonna get this? Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, 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 no. Anyways, we're not gonna eat this, so we're just gonna let it go. Okay, my boy. Go, live free. There. I'm not gonna get you. Okay, look at that. Oh, I'm gonna like this one. Come on. Okay. Bye bye. Let him live. Okay. Let him live, my boy. Is there any emperor right here or nothing? Oh shit, that's the one, I'm telling you. Got snap already. What? Bye bye lure. No more. I saw it a while ago. There's like already portion of our leader that is already like, now it's gone. Now it's gone. Now we need to, that's our last orange lure that favorite of emperor fish. So we need to use the other lures now. Okay, right on. Gonna set up again. Okay, let's go. Set again. Oh, what? Oh, hope not gonna get snap again. Oh shit. Hello, ano? Yeah. Oh. Naman lang strike. Madulas yan. Ang klase ng lumot na yan. Madulas to. Tayo sa safe. We need to move to another spot. Walang emperor dito. Tayo. Lipat tayo guys. Walang nag-strike dito. Okay. Okay, I just move here. Garapan area. Okay. Fish on. Fish on, my boy. I'm not gonna let you go, my boy. Come on. Bring it out. Bring it out, my boy. Bring it out. Okay. I know you're smart. Run. Run, my boy. There. Run, my boy. There. Run. Run. Run, my boy. Run. There. Oh, you stuck? Okay, run. Run, my boy. Run. There. Run. Run, my boy. There. Okay, run. Holy cow, look at that. Plenty fish. Look at those. If I'm gonna get you, it's deep. I'm gonna let you run, my boy. It got stuck, my boy. And it's going high tide, my boy. I'm gonna get wet. There. I told you. I'm gonna get you, my boy. I told you I'm gonna get you. There you go. There. I'm gonna get you, my boy. See? There you go. I'm gonna get you. Told you. I told you I'm gonna get you, my boy. Okay. You got stuck with the other hook. Oh. There you go. There you go. Gonna put you here for a while. There, stay there, my boy. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, where's it? Where's the fish? Okay, oh there. Just get this one and put next to our pickup. I'm just gonna put it in the pickup. I'm just gonna put it at the pickup. I don't know to carry this. Okay, you stay there, my boy. Oh, here. Hopefully we can catch here. Hopefully we're not gonna get stuck on the tree. Oh boy. Hey, there. Hopefully it's not gonna get stuck again. Oh boy. There you go. Okay. Okay. Oh boy. Oh! Shoots. Ay, jumper ha. Okay. Okay, hold on. Hold on, my boy. There you go. Okay. We get the plastic. Let's go. Oh. They're just right here on the shore, boy. Oh! That's a big one. That's a big one, boy. Come on. Don't get stuck, boy. I'm gonna get you again. Oh, there. Oh! Oh, boy. It's on the grass. It's on the grass. There you go. It's on the grass. It's on the grass, boy. Come on there. Already. There. Already. There you go. Right here. You're right here, boy. Yeah, we caught only four emperor.